90% of traders fail within the first year. Not because they can't read charts. Not because they pick bad stocks. They fail because they don't manage risk. I got stopped out twice this week, lost money on both trades, but my account is still growing. Why? 6 rules, 6 non-negotiables that I follow on every single trade. If you want to be in that 10% that survives, stick with me for the next 2 minutes. Let's go. Risk rule number 1. 1% to 2% max risk per trade. If your account is $100,000, your max loss per trade should be $1,000. That's not a suggestion. It's survival math. If you have a $5,000 account, your max loss should be $50. It is what it is. Rule number 2 is process. A profitable trader plans size and exit and executes both. If you decide on your stop after you're in, you just bought a problem. Predefine position size and stop. That's mechanical discipline. Rule number 3. Use mechanical tools. These include stop orders, option max loss definitions, or preset exit alerts. For options traders, define the maximum percentage you are willing to lose on a contract and blot that out of your mind. If that number is hit, accept it and move on. Rule number 4. Practice emotional discipline. It beats raw conviction every time. Think of red days as feedback, not as judgment. A red day is a teacher, not a villain. So review, adjust, and don't revenge trade. Rule number 5. Don't overload correlated bets. If you have 3 AI names long, that's concentration risk. Define maximum exposure to a theme and treat it like a sector limit in a fund. Finally, rule number 6 is capital preservation. This is the trade that underwrites every other trade. Win the right to trade tomorrow before you gamble for a win today. That's the 6 rules. If you made it this far, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which rule you struggle with most, and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. See you in the next one.